Hello, welcome to That's in Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious and hearty spinach fritter recipe that's perfect for any time of the day. Let's get started. First, peel the potatoes. You can use a peeler or a knife, whichever you are comfortable with. Slice them evenly, this helps them bake perfectly. Next, season with 1 teaspoon of salt and drizzle 4 tablespoons of olive oil over the slices. Mix everything well so that each piece is coated with flavor. Now spread the potatoes on a baking tray and pop them into a preheated oven at 180 Celsius for about 30 minutes. Let's move on to the filling. Once the potatoes are baking, chop an onion, then take your peppers, cut them in half, remove the seeds and slice them thinly. Chop everything roughly, you don't need to be precise. Roughly chop the spinach. Heat 6 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Add the chopped onion and sliced peppers. Saute for a couple of minutes until they start to soften. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder and half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all together, letting those spices work their magic. Finally, add fresh spinach to the pan. Cook it for around 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it wilts down and combines with the mixture beautifully. Once the potatoes are baked, pour the spinach mixture evenly over them. This adds a rich, flavorful layer to our dish. In a mixing bowl, crack 2 eggs and add 1 cup of milk. Season with half teaspoon of salt, then whisk everything until smooth. Pour this mixture over the spinach and potatoes. For the finishing touch, sprinkle grated cheddar cheese generously on top. Trust me, this will give it that irresistible golden crust. Place it back into the oven and bake at 180 Celsius for another 20 minutes. And there you have it, your delicious spinach fritter is ready. It's crispy, cheesy and packed with flavor. Perfect for a family meal or even as a snack. Thank you for joining me today on That's in Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious ideas. See you in the next one.